So, got everything all bagged up, all labeled. I gotta go through each one of these bags and clean, paint, or polish every single one of these items. So, that's the next step. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Probably not as good as the valve cover and whatnot, but that's okay. Here we go. Alright, so I use the high temp stuff. You know, it's supposed to be like ceramic, whatever. But you're supposed to bake it like 30 minutes at 250 degrees, take it out for 30 minutes. Then 400 degrees the same, and then 600 degrees the same. So we're gonna do this. I'll let you know if it makes any difference at all. Yeah. So, went through the whole procedure. Took a long ass time, but wow, I'm pretty impressed. Very curious how this is gonna look on the car. Worth it. The baking seems to have made it less tacky, I guess. Seems to be actually like on there. So we took off the exhaust manifold to do stuff, and we did look at that one's pretty bad, but look at this one. It's like non-existent.
Found your leak.
And there was the head gasket leak right there. You can see the rust water leftovers where it blew. That's how I noticed it. So anybody out there, Iron Block boys, check a look. Okay?
Shame on whoever did this. Drilled a hole in the firewall with a perfectly good factory hole right here, just so they can put this garbage wire for these fog lights. I wonder why they don't work.
That'll be addressed. That will be addressed.